morning from Delft. We went to this small Dutch city that's famous for cobblestones and little canals, and it was the birthplace of windmill. So look, let's go. See the canals, we see the cobblestones. We're gonna check a windmill, maybe have a coffee, and definitely make a lot of photos because the day is so beautiful. We are so lucky with this weather. Saturday morning and they have some kind of market fair. Gonna check it out. I see paintings. Quite alive for Saturday morning. Oh, the paintings are really cool. Very brilliant. Lovely. Colors are so vibrant, especially in the nice light. I love it. And I love this time of the year where you have a little bit of yellow in the trees. Oh, my first windmill! Roos. I've really been to Netherlands if I don't have a windmill in my visuals. I guess not. Here I am at the Delft windmill de Roos, built in 1679. I like how chill everything is and it's open. I guess you can enter. I'm not gonna enter right now, but because my family is waiting for me. I like first impression. Beautiful city, sweet, nice, small residential areas, lots of bikes everywhere. Isn't it everywhere? It's fascinating how they fit to drive on the streets. Well, they have parked cars, bicycles, pedestrian, and cars. Crazy. Here we are in central part of Delft. We have the cathedral and canal, and the yard sale is still going. Widzicie bizia kola, chodźcie kola. Let's go and walk through the yard sale. That's the type of porcelain, white and blue, that's famous for this region. So I was just researching about Delft that they took the colors of the Chinese porcelain, white and blue, for tiles and stuff. It's so nice to just walk around and see what they're selling. Pieces of history. And in this beautiful light, everything looks even more charming. Super charming. There's so many things to see. My eyes are just going every centimeter. Yes, please. Let's go and check the building. Wow. They're here in Delft. What are they playing? Let's check it out. What on sand?
La femme du notaire qui était une sainte et qui n'avait jamais trompé son mari au paradis n'aimait pas le roi. Toute jolie.
Oh, the famous Hollandaise cheese. Tastings. Ooh, that would be really nice to try. So we have organic chili. because I'm here. And Sasha will love it. I put it as a gift bag. It's with bicycles. Because I love it. We checked the central part, this central square, the churches, the fair, canals, cobblestone, windmill, and ready to go. Next stop is Rotterdam. We are in Rotterdam. I love the connected train lines. It just took us 10 minutes to quickly go from one city to another city. Let's go, let's see what it has. Another market sale is happening here in Mark. I bet we're gonna grab some food and gonna check some items. Oh, this is so Moldova coded. Bags. Look, €5. Ooh, what is this, guys? How is it called? What? This market? This building is a closed market?
It's an open market.
Open market. Wow. Okay, let's see the open market. Oh wow. Oh wow, that's nice. How pretty.
Box of 5 kilos.
5 kilos. Nice. Tasting. The second one with nachos is so good. So crunchy. That's the Erasmus bridge. If you take a closer look, it looks like a swan. And locals are calling it the swan because it's shaped like this as a swan. It's 800 meters. When I've been last time in Netherlands, I had this feeling like every city is narrow and cramped, and you get this feeling of small rooms, small places. But here, on the other hand, you can feel how big is the city, since the waters are so wide. Big bridges, big buildings. You can see it's absolute difference to all the other Dutch towns that we've been. Wow, it's very busy in here. Over showcasing the fire for the kids. Oh. The city is bold. So much stuff is happening. The camera looks like gelato.
Well, that's not a delicious gelato.
Are you kidding me? Look how green it is. Full day. The park is so green. I have to check it more carefully. So we get absolute Toronto vibes because of this antenna. Park is so huge. Ah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And everybody's outside on the grass because it's a nice hot day. Wow. across the history museum and the art museum. If we had more time, it's almost closing, we would enter. But not this time, but the nature is so nice everywhere you go. Oh, beautiful! Let's check it out. Another pond, another bridge. Find out that it's not a normal traditional museum, but it's the world's first accessible storage, art storage depot facility. So the difference between a normal museum and this one is that they have arranged all the artworks as a storage facility, and they're visible at all times, and they host 150,000 artworks. So that's a big amount. I wish I could go inside and see how it works. But beautiful. We got the Dutch Design Week Award 2022 for the architecture of this place.
A little bit of sugar.
I feel like I'm in Zagreb at some in a certain district where everything is new. Lovely. I think this is the end of our Rotterdam trip. I must find some souvenir and we are going back to Den Haag. Massive central station.